Hello everybody. Apparently YouTube is cracking down on content farms. Are they really? Are they really? The answer is no, they're not. Right, let's start. Let's go to the trending section. This is stuff that should be trending right now. Right. Some sort of this stupid haunted house. Yeah, okay. Right. What started me on this is not this video. Now this is where I found. This isn't where I found it today. This was when I woke up, went onto YouTube. This was at the top of the trending page. And I'll prove that to you. I'm not going to listen to their bullshit. Right. How is this number one trending in the UK? One day ago. Not one day ago. 12 hours ago. Fuck's sakes. But this is the kind of bullshit. But it gets worse. Look at it. It's Troom Troom. Now what's Troom Troom? It's a bunch of idiots. It's basically a corporation that's been set up to make crappy videos that aren't really going to make you have anything constructive, aren't of any actual use to anybody. Well, let me show you this one.
A sweet pointer, a chocolate school supply cup, and a milkshake in a tie? Did the entire school actually go mad? No, we have just sneaked sweets into class.
Screw you, Troom
Mr.
Troom.
Sebastian is wearing a weird tie today. Is this actually a new trend in fashion? He's definitely hiding something. Sebastian tries to distract the students with studying so that they don't suspect anything. And meanwhile, he carefully adjusts the knot on the tie and drinks his favorite chocolate milk. Cover a plastic shirt collar bend with yellow velour. Cut off the excess and sew it. Fasten a tie from a collapsible plastic vase. Use double-sided tape.
Who has a collapsible plastic vase? Where do you get this crap?
Iron it through parchment paper. Hot glue the top halfway. Attach the tie to the base. Wrap it with fabric and sew it. Put a flexible tube into the hole. Pour in your drink through a funnel.
That is
and when
disgusting.
Sebastian finishes the cocktail, he takes off the tie. He doesn't need this item of clothing anymore.
That is absolutely revolting.
Miss Smith doesn't like that the girls are
And
more
it's
interested
going
in
to get worse.
than in studying. The amount of likes doesn't influence their grade. They need to do something nice for Miss Smith immediately. We have a nice pointer just for that. Cut chewy candies and connect them to make one long candy.
Wow.
Wrap a chopstick with it.
Really?
And even out the layer.
Oh,
Apply
that's
stick
disgusting.
glitter on top.
Oh, God,
It's
that's
not
disgusting.
a good idea to approach Miss Smith when she's mad. She destroys everything in her path. She even breaks the pointer. But now she understands that this is not a regular pointer. The girls made a sweet present for her. Candies calm Miss Smith down. Her mood gets better after every piece of the pointer. She turns into a kind teacher. And this means that they are free to take unlimited selfies.
Wow.
Dolly has read too many comic books for sure. Does she think that she's Wolverine? No way! She just has new markers, and they are not regular. They come with a surprise. Pour candies out of their tubes. Cut the tube to be of the same size as a marker. Make a plug from chewy candy. Paint the tube with acrylic paint and put the candies inside. Cover the tube with a marker cap. Make a few markers of different colors. These markers have a secret superpower. They turn into sweets. Dolly has an entire team of them. Every marker stores candies. Jessica is keeping up too. Her exquisite school supply cup is any sweet tooth's dream.
Are you
Melt
shitting
dark
me?
chocolate in a double boiler. Spread the chocolate evenly inside a paper cup. Put it into a freezer. Remove the paper cup when the chocolate hardens. Cover the chocolate cup with honey and attach icing lace. The cup is so chocolatey that Jessica can't resist biting it right in class. This cup is perfect for storing the sweet markers. It's a match made in heaven. Dolly also bites off a piece of the cup. Well, it's unlikely that it will last till the end of the school day.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Clay sculpture class. You can make any food from light clay. Dolly is disappointed. She's gotten hungry and can't be satisfied by clay food. But Jessica has a lot of fun with her clay. She made a red pepper, and she bravely bites it off. What is her secret? Melt chewy candies in a microwave.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Mix them so
Really?
the texture is even. Add a drop of food coloring and put it into a Ziploc bag. Make bags with candies of different colors. It's easy. It turns out that Jessica's clay is edible. It's made from stretchy candies.
Yeah.
She gives some of the sweet clay to Dolly, and sculpture class becomes way more delicious right away. Dolly hands in her notebooks to be checked. Sebastian finds handmade bookmarks inside. So cute! His mom made the same one. But it's edible. What a coincidence! Dolly's bookmark is made according to the same recipe. Cut wafer paper into strips. Color them with food markers.
Right. You get the point. Nobody in their right mind, even when I was in school, this shit would be like, wow, that is too much effort. I will just buy a packet of Polo Mints and try and suck one during class. Or for God's sake, if I'm feeling generous, or if I'm feeling particularly vindictive, lemon sherbets. They're my favourites. But for God's sakes, this is too much effort for anybody. For anything. And this was #1 trending. Okay, might have been yesterday. I don't know when. But what's worse about Troom Troom is it's a content factory of content that nobody in their right mind is either A, going to use, or B, going to want. What this is designed to do is to be Facebook fodder for little girls and mums. And I think this should be stopped. Literally. Because they have said that these content kind of farms should be stopped. Well, yeah, I think they should. But let's face it, it gets worse. Let's go back to the trending page. 7 awesome, scary and funny Halloween costume ideas. Okay. Alright. But it's from a group called Craft Panda. Let's see what they're doing. So... No, I'm not. So this is... You can tell by the way it's filmed. It's... what is it? It's not Twitter. Oh, where's my phone? Oh, it's... Oh, what is it? Come on, mine, you know this. It's Instagram. This is Instagram fodder. This is a lot of Instagram fodder. And this is ridiculous. I'm sorry. If you want to do it on Instagram, do it on Instagram. Do not... I'm sorry, this is ridiculous. Okay, this one's a little bit better than Troom Troom's garbage. But it gets even worse. This is the most annoying part. This is the Crafty Panda. Right, let's look at the About section. When was the channel made? December 9th. They have 1.2 million subscribers. Are you freaking kidding me? This is ridiculous. This kind of crappy content that takes approximately no effort. Let's face it. Hang on, I'm just going to put a sort of a light on. Sorry about that, guys. Let's face it. This is the kind of stuff that I hate because it squashes good things. Like, let me show you. Where are we? Right. Let's go back to Troom Troom for a second. Troom Troom, where are you? Here we go. 9.5 million subscribers. Now, I know not everyone's interested in technology. That's fine. There's no problem with that. But I think it's a little bit annoying. Where are you? Well, sod it. I'll type it in. Linus Tech. Right, Linus Tech Tips only has 7.1. Now, Linus's channel has been around since, let's see, 2008. Now, let's see when TikTok, Troom Troom's channel has been around. He's got, that is bullshit. 9.5 million. Do you realise how annoying this is? Do you actually realise how annoyed I am by this? Because it means people like me, people like people who are doing reasonable content that is taking time. I was actually doing a video, going to be doing a video today until I saw the Troom Troom crap. I am sick of it. What's even worse is that apparently this is being stopped by YouTube. Bullshit.